This chart shows the Nasdaq, Japan's Nikkei index, and the Australian dollar all falling together in perfect synchronization. Meanwhile, this single green line, the Japanese yen, is shooting straight up. In a typical synchronized panic, you look for a massive geopolitical shock or an aggressive rate hike by the US Federal Reserve. Yet the data shows no global black swans during this window. The actual trigger for this trillion-dollar wipeout was a microscopic 0.25% interest rate hike by the Bank of Japan. A 0.25% move in Tokyo brought major global indices to their knees. This paradox proves that the global economy is balanced on a hidden foundation, with Japanese monetary policy acting as the keystone. For the last 2 decades, while the rest of the world battled inflation with higher rates, Japan kept its domestic interest rates at or below zero. Funds borrowed yen at 0%, converted it to US dollars, and bought US treasuries yielding 5%, pocketing the difference. This strategy expanded into tech stocks and commodities. The Bank of Japan became a global credit card with a $20 trillion limit. Massive rallies in everything from AI stocks to emerging markets were heavily subsidized by this free Japanese money. Global market stability now relies entirely on the yen staying cheap. The regime shifted when the Bank of Japan abandoned its negative interest rate policy and allowed domestic yields to rise. This is the interest rate differential. As global rates drop and Japanese rates rise above zero, the gap closes rapidly. For leveraged hedge funds, this spread acts like a vice. Borrowing cheap money to buy high-yield assets only works when costs remain near zero. At 20-to-1 or 30-to-1 leverage, margins are razor-thin. A mere 25 basis point increase in Japanese funding costs can instantly transform a decade of reliable gains into a margin call emergency. The global ATM has effectively demanded its $20 trillion back all at once. Because so many institutions borrowed yen, they created a massive global short position. Any rise in the yen's value forces these funds to urgently buy the currency back to close their debts before the losses liquidate their portfolios. This creates a self-perpetuating loop. Forced buying drives the yen higher, triggering more stop losses and forcing even more buying. To generate cash, funds blindly liquidate assets. They dump Nvidia, Nasdaq, and the Nikkei, regardless of actual company performance. Correlations go to 1 during an unwind. Fundamentally different assets crash in unison because they share the same funding currency. This is a forced deleveraging event, a sheer liquidity domino effect, where the cost of the yen dictates the survival of the entire board. A carry trade unwind functions as a multi-year structural shift rather than a single clean crash. The process moves in deceptive waves. An initial forced liquidation is followed by a relief bounce that tempts retail traders to rebuild leverage at cheaper levels. That recovery often serves as the setup for a secondary, deeper plunge. To spot the next wave, watch the AUD-JPY and NZD-JPY pairs. These commodity-linked crosses act as the primary early warning signs. When they break major technical supports, a broader global liquidity squeeze is usually imminent. The yield on 10-year Japanese government bonds is the ultimate domestic magnet for capital. As this yield approaches the 1% mark, it encourages Japanese capital to repatriate, which further strengthens the yen. Traders should also monitor the Japanese Tenkan survey. If corporate sentiment remains strong, the Bank of Japan has the data it needs to continue tightening policy. Surviving this regime requires moving away from a buy-the-dip mentality and adopting a purely liquidity-driven analytical framework. Standard stop losses offer little protection during a flash crash. When liquidity gaps occur, prices can jump over your exit level, leading to significant slippage and unexpected losses. The survival playbook requires cutting your typical position sizes in half and using the average true range indicator to calculate wider, volatility-adjusted safety nets. Avoid entering new positions during the illiquid New York to Tokyo rollover period. This is when spreads widen and price gaps are most likely to hit your account. FXNX's AI agents are built to handle this 24/7 volatility. You can set an agent to monitor JGB yields and AUD-JPY technical levels autonomously, catching moves without the emotional fatigue of manual trading. Executing trades in this environment requires institutional-grade infrastructure, like NX Pro's 0.0 pip raw spreads. Under strict MISA regulation, through license BFX 2025082. The era of free yen is over. Click the link in the description to claim your live FXNX deposit bonus and prepare your portfolio for the next wave of the unwind.